welcome back to another Destination Modified video. Today we are going to be picking up my new car from ASP Cars down in Nottingham. So they have a wide range of cool as hell cars in here, so we'll do a few shots of them. So hopefully this deal goes well and I have a new car.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
There you go. The Eskimo.
Read Kelvin's first driving lesson. The automatic fairly.
That's when he comes back and the car's crashed.
Puts it in reverse and still in drive, straight forward. Oh look at him, he's making it look easy, the man.
Well, that is test drive. I thought you were going down the road.
I thought it was enough, but that's all he's getting. Guy doesn't trust him on his lesson.
Well, here it is, my 2017 BMW M2 in Alpine white. So the deal went well. Car's extremely clean. I couldn't even get any additional money off it, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, unreal car. We're near enough home. We're like, I'd say an hour and a half from home just now. So we thought we'd do a little pit stop just before we continue our journey. But it has been a long day. Yeah. So kind of looking forward to getting home. But yeah, so far so good. Car's been sick. Hopefully, Mark's tried to record some driving footage of the car, so we'll put that in.
I've got a few good videos there.
So hopefully, but I've not seen them, so they're probably dog. We'll see.
Oh, I'm just going to delete them now then.
Right. Anyway, we'll catch up with you when we get home. So it is now a new day, 2 days after I actually picked up the car. We were absolutely shattered by the time we got home, so this is us doing the outro now. So yeah, the car's pretty well spec'd. It's got Harman Kardon.
Mate,
I actually practiced this beforehand, and I've somehow still managed to butcher it. But it's the speaker system, alright? I don't know how to say it. So then we've got the heated seats. It's got like a little lip kit.
it's got the Pro Nav now, I think, isn't it?
Pro Nav, yeah.
The updated can I drive.
So yeah, it's other than that, it's basically stock. So it will be featured on the channel when my bank account recovers, which could be a while. But nah, it'll be on the channel a fair bit. I've been driving it around way too much, using way too much fuel, and yeah, I'm enjoying it so far, so all's good. However, just a little look around. Look at the stuff in here.
It's well accompanied.
It is.
The RH fairly. Not that you can really see that under the cover, but it is an R35. And Bayside Blue, I just straight from body shop, hence why the cover. The bike, obviously the bike, and the Fiat.
I hope you enjoyed. I now have a new car. Happy days. Time for Callum to buy one.
Can't mate.
Yeah, it's been like a couple of weeks since you bought that, so
give me a couple more.
but yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed this. So yeah, just do a wee like, wee comment, wee subscribe, and of course, stay jolly.